Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have two amazing applications for you, and both the applications are very useful and very interesting as well. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and do not miss any notification from our channel. Now the first application I have in my list is Longshot for long screenshot. Yes, simply just click on open and open this application. Now with this application, what exactly you can do, sometimes we get some long pages and we won't able to take the screenshot of those pages, but with this application you can able to do that. First of all, you have to just press the first option, that's a auto scroller. Click on that one and then click OK and allow all the permission to this application. And then you have to press this icon here, this one. Click on that one and then click on start now. Now you will be getting two options here, that's a start and cancel. Whenever you click on this start, it will start taking the screenshot of a long page. Let me show you. You will be getting two options here, that's a start and cancel. Now let's suppose if I go to the Google Chrome and this is the big page, that's a long page here. You can see this one, and I want to take the screenshot of this one. Simply I have to press this start button and then I have to press anywhere on the screen and it will automatically start taking the screenshot like this. You can see this one, it's taking the screenshot here. It's automatically getting scroll and it's taking the screenshot of the whole page. It's a long page here and it's automatically taking the screenshot. To stop this one, I have to just press here on the top and the screenshot is there. See this one? This is the screenshot. That's a big screenshot. I can save this one here and I can able to share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, anywhere. And this is the screenshot which I got. See this one? That's a screenshot. So this is an amazing application to take the long screenshot just by clicking on this icon here. So you must try this application. Now the second application in my list is Private Screenshot. Yes, this is also an amazing application. Simply click on open and open this application and you will be reaching on this page. With this application, you can able to take the screenshot from the protected application as well, and it make it very simple to take the screenshot. Simply click on this icon on the right side of the top, allow some permission to this application and then come back. Now moment you allow the permission, you will be getting an icon here, that's an orange icon which you can move here. And now to take the screenshot, simply you have to press this icon like this. If I take the screenshot of any page, simply I have to press this icon and it will automatically take the screenshot like this. See this? That's a really amazing and very useful application to take the screenshot. And to see this screenshot, simply you have to go to this application and you will be getting all the screenshot just right in front of you. See this? These all are the screenshot which I have just taken it. So that is an amazing application to take the screenshot just by clicking on this icon. So try this application, which is Private Screenshot. So these are the two applications I have right now for you. I hope you like both of them. Link of both the application you will be getting in the description. Any questions, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.